Federal prosecutors on Wednesday strongly denied that Michael Cohen was sent back to prison over a dispute about whether he could publish a critical book about his former legal client, President Donald Trump, while serving the rest of his criminal sentence in home confinement. Instead, prosecutors said in a new court filing, Cohen was taken into custody on July 9 after becoming antagonistic and argumentative at a meeting with U.S. probation officials and refusing to agree with a number of other conditions, including being subject to electronic monitoring. During that meeting, Cohen said he was writing a book, no matter what happens, and also told a probation officer to say hello to Mr. Barr, meaning U. Attorney General William Barr, according to the prosecutor's filing. Court documents state that the decision to take Cohen into custody was instigated by the probation officers who observed Cohen's behavior at the meeting, and was ultimately made by a Bureau of Prisons employee who had no knowledge that Petitioner was writing a book. The filing includes affidavits to that effect from those officials. Cohen has said he is writing a book about Trump, whom he served for years as a lawyer and fixer. Prosecutors said in their filing that he is free to work on his book while incarcerated. The filing came a day before a judge in federal court in Manhattan is set to hold a hearing on Cohen's emergency request that he be re-released from the federal prison in Otisville, where he has been for the past 2 weeks. Cohen, 53, pleaded guilty in 2018 to financial crimes, lying to Congress and campaign finance violations related to facilitating hush money payments to 2 women who claim to have had sex with Trump, who denies their accounts. Cohen was in the middle of serving a 3-year prison term when he was furloughed in late May over concerns about the coronavirus pandemic. He was meeting with his lawyer and probation officials on July 9 about the terms of his home confinement when he was abruptly taken into custody. Cohen's lawyer Jeffrey Levine has said that he was taken into custody after balking at a provision that he not speak with reporters or publish a book during his period of home confinement. Levine said that Cohen did not refuse to sign the provision but that the issue had been set aside while they discussed other aspects of the probation monitoring agreement. Levine said that when Bureau of Prison staff showed up during a break in the meeting to detain Cohen, he and Cohen both said Cohen would agree to the provision in order to avoid being sent back to prison. Levin and Cohen's other attorneys, who this week filed a lawsuit seeking his release from prison, have said that Cohen is at particular risk from COVID-19 because of pre-existing health issues.